Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you very much for stopping by. If you're new, welcome. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying my videos so far, and any comments please leave them in the comment section below. Today we're going to be making a Christmas star, or all ready for Christmas, which is not far away now. Frightening, eh? Right, let's jump straight into it. First and foremostly, we want an A4 piece of paper, which we're going to fold in half, like so. Then bring this down. Like so. Then just open it all up, and you've got 4 folds, 1, 2, 3, 4. With your scissors or a craft knife, we're going to cut each one of those lines. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 separate bits of paper. Remove 2 of them out of the way, and then we're going to, with our Pritt stick, just glue the ends of one of the end of one of the and on the strips, and then place it on top of that one, so you've got a really long strip of A4 paper now. Next, what you want to do is bring one end over like so, without folding, tuck it under, like so. Once you've got it kind of how you want it, just keep playing with it and pulling it through until it makes nice tight, without crumpling the sides of the paper, without folding down too much as well. So there we go, we'll have that. So turn it over and then bring this side, the shorter side, over and run it along the bottom. And where it meets this corner here, we're going to get our scissors and just cut up in a straight line. And get rid of that. If I take a little bit more off of that. Just like so. Next, turn it back over and grab this side and bring this up to the top. Making sure all the edges are nice and flat and level, and do the same again, just trim off from the corner. Like so. Get rid of the scraps of paper. So as you can see, we've now got a star shape. And with our Pritt stick, glue that and add on another strip, and bring this strip up to the top like so, making sure it's not creased down but slightly folded. And across this side. And with our Pritt stick, we're just going to go all over this side and then trim off any overhangs, which it doesn't. It fits perfectly for me. So there we have our star. Our next step, which is really simple, is to pick the star up and push it in the middle of the sides, on all of the sides. So you get a fat little star, like so. If you need to, pop open any big flaps like that and run your Pritt stick in there, and then fold it back down, like this one as well, and then have a look at it and just make sure there's no more. I've only got two, but each star will be different because of the way you fold it. We'll do that one as well. Just fold that down. It's just a case of manipulating it until you're happy with the way your star looks. which I am, and just draw a face on it. Give it some eyebrows. And a mouth. And then we've got one happy star. So you can decorate it however you want to. You can use green paper, yellow paper. There's your star. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please like, share and subscribe if you've enjoyed the video, and I will see you on the next one.